Hello everyone, and welcome to the What's New session for Dynamics 365 Portals. This session is a great opportunity for you, field and partners, to dig in a little deeper and get a better understanding of what we have to offer on the Spring 2018 release. I am Maria del Carmen Deans from the Dynamics Product Marketing team. Joining me today is Dilip Singh from the Dynamics 365 Portals Research and Development team. At the end of this session, you will have a better understanding of the industry challenges and opportunities, the value of Dynamics 365 Portals to your prospective customers, and a quick and compelling preview of the upcoming enhancements that will get you, your partners and customers excited for the Spring 2018 release. And I will wrap up by providing guidance on how to find out and learn more about portals and related sales, marketing, and readiness materials. In today's connected world, customers expect to receive service on their own terms, anytime, anywhere. Customer order rides, check in for flights, and even check out at grocery stores online. So why wouldn't they expect the same convenience from your customer service organization? They do. 90% of our respondents say they expect brands and organizations to offer an online portal for self-service, and their expectations are right in line with how most service engagements begin. Also, 75% of global respondents have used a search engine to find answers to service-related questions before calling an agent, and 74% have used a self-service support portal. 65% of global respondents and 79% of millennials have a more favorable view of brands that offer a mobile response customer service portal, reflecting a desire to be empowered to resolve issues wherever and whenever they want. You can see by these trends that companies must offer customers ways to easily engage, to foster ongoing omni-channel dialogue, and build relationships that strengthen loyalty and retention, while at the same time reducing overhead costs so that agents can focus on high-value interaction. With customers engaging through various methods such as email, phone, in-person, social, and web, and as users increasingly prefer engaging with organizations through the web and mobile, the opportunity for Dynamics 365 to play a central role in all these interactions is tremendous. Providing a web portal interface takes these trends and brings in any engagement, including partner, groups, and employee scenarios, directly into Dynamics 365 to create a modern, connected experience for both external users and internal business operations. Dynamics 365 Portals brings your customers, employees, and partners into the business processes by surfacing Dynamics 365 data to the web. Providing a web portal interface takes these user trends and brings any engagement, including partner, groups, and employee scenarios, directly into Dynamics 365 to create a modern, connected experience for both external users and internal business operations. Dynamics 365 Portals brings your customers, employees, and partners into the business processes by surfacing Dynamics 365 data to the web, enabling portal users and internal dynamic users to work together with self-service capabilities that maximizes the productivity of every interaction. This allows businesses to scale their operations as they reduce call center costs, manual processing, resolution times, while at the same time improving end-user satisfaction, transparency, and scale of operations. Portals is a great way to enter a discussion about how Microsoft Dynamics 365 can impact the success of a business. With a variety of pre-configured portal solutions, you have multiple ways to enter the discussion when approaching the customer and show the value Microsoft brings to their business. We have a robust competitive offering that differentiates us from our competition, with language capabilities that support global deployments hosted in Azure and portal capabilities included in the pricing of every one of the Dynamics 365 business applications. Let's see what's new for portals on this release. Now the customer data sent to and processed by Dynamics 365 portals can be configured to address requirements of the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, adopted by the European Union. The solution allows configuration of custom terms and conditions, age gating, and parental consent requirements. We have also enhanced accessibility to help end users who require assistive technologies to interact with the portal. We have enhanced our search capability. Now customers will have the ability to search knowledge articles attachments to increase the likelihood of relevant search results. And the enhanced Dynamics 365 portals will provide detailed contextual error information and diagnostic loggings, and will enable developers to define custom error messages for consistent and reliable troubleshooting. And finally, we're making it easier for administrators to manage their authentication key. Now the administrator will receive a notification with the key expiration date for easy renewal. Today, Dilip will share with you scenarios that will highlight what's new within the portal's end-to-end experience that would deliver value at each point of engagement along the customer lifecycle. Take it from here, Dilip. It's all yours.
My name is Dilip Singh. I'm Senior Program Manager at Dynamics 365 Portals. I'm going to be talking about what's new in Dynamics 365 Portal Spring 2018 release. There are a bunch of new functionality which we launched in Spring 2018, and there are a few important ones which I'm going to be demoing today. The first one is called Knowledgebase Attachment Search. The functionality which is provided is to search within the content of a document attached to a Knowledgebase article. Just to get started with the demo, I have this article right here about a smart TV getting flickering screen. And I have like bunch of documents attached to it, most likely troubleshooting guides. So for example, this flickering video experience document, if I go through it, I see that, oh, so it is talking about how to troubleshoot whenever your smart TV is getting flickering experience. So what I want to do here is I want to take the content of this document and search on my Dynamics 365 portal just to see if this content shows up. So let me just jump right here into my Dynamics 365 portal. So for this demo purpose, I'm using a community template. I have Knowledgebase functionality enabled on it. I have enabled searching within the notes attachment as well. So I'm just going to go and paste this content right here and try to look for articles. So voila. Like the first article which you see here is like you will see that, oh, this is not really an article. It says something else. And it's talking about, oh, there's a related article for that as well. This is the article which we opened in Dynamics 365 interface. So this is actually the document we just looked at, and it is searching within the content of that document. That's the first result. So if I click on it, what this will do is it will directly download the document on my desktop, so I can open it and read through the document. I can also go and click on the related article, so I can actually read the content of the article as well as like see all the related attachment as well. And as you can see, our original article had two attachments in it, a new.txt and flickering video. So this is the same article which shows both the attachment here and shows all the content. Now this functionality enables your end user to be able to quickly look through all the documents which are present on your portal. This can be enabled both for attachments of a knowledge-based article as well as web files. So you can have PDF docs, you can have Word docs, PowerPoint, pretty much all the Office documents, as well as TXT file or even JSON. So if you are putting up content snippets or like code snippets on your portal, those will be searchable as well. So this functionality will help your user find content easily on your Dynamics 365 portals. Now that's one of the functionality which we launched. And as you know, one of the core principle of Spring 2000 release was to be compliant with GDPR, General Data Protection Rules. So in Dynamics 365 portals, we launched a bunch of functionality which allows you as an organization to be compliant with GDPR rules. So I'm going to be demoing a few here. The most important functionality in Dynamics 365 portal is it allows users to be able to log in using different identity provider. There's a local login which you can use, You can log in with your Azure AD, you can enable Facebook, Google, or any other identity provider there. Now, one of the core requirements of GDPR is to be able to get terms and agreement accepted from a user when they log into your portal. So that's something we enabled. We enabled a configuration where you can put up a terms and conditions, which whenever a user logs in, they will be able to accept those.